Now that we're done stuffing our faces with yummy Thanksgiving food, maybe you guys can relate, but I feel like it's about that time to get back into a good routine. So today I will share my grocery haul, a workout, and a healthy recipe with you guys in case you need some motivation. But to be honest, this is to help me get motivated as well. It's never easy to come back from a trip and just like hop right back into your routine. So don't worry, we're in this together. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also let me know in the comments what your favorite Thanksgiving food was. Mine was definitely the pecan pie. I'm still thinking about it. Alright guys, here's everything that I got. I definitely got a lot more than usual because my fridge is just so empty and my freezer. So I'm actually going to start on this side since I feel like I always start with veggies. So the first thing that I got were some rice cakes. I don't usually get these, but I've been seeing some recipes on Instagram that looked really good. People just put like peanut butter and bananas, tuna and spinach, and I also got like some smoked salmon over here that I want to put with like some cream cheese on here. I just thought it sounded really good. And for some healthier desserts, I got some vanilla bouton wafer cookies. These are so good. And then I got some dark chocolate pretzel slims. I love keeping both of these in the fridge so they're nice and cold. It just makes them taste 10 times better. And moving on to like proteins and some canned goods, I got 2 cans of albacore tuna in water. This is my favorite tuna. It's so yummy. I use it all the time. I have it on like salads and sandwiches, on pasta. It's just so good and like a really good healthy protein. I've also been really loving black olives for some reason lately, so I just use this in salads and in pasta, but they're so good. So I got 1 can of those, and I also got 2 cans of garbanzo beans. I love having these on hand because they're one of my go-to proteins. Got some more minced garlic, and then I also got some low sodium vegetable broth because I really want to make a soup, so stay tuned for that. It'll probably be in my next vlog. And then for some more protein options, I got 2 packs of this organic free-range chicken, then some smoked apple Chardonnay chicken sausage. You guys already know this is like my obsession. If you haven't tried it, it's amazing. I use it in pasta all the time and it's so good. Next we have some smoked salmon. I don't always get this, but sometimes I do. I thought this would be really good on the rice cakes and just like on some crackers or on a bagel. Then I picked up some salami just for like sandwiches or to put on crackers. I grabbed some more rice as well. This one's my favorite. You just pop it in the microwave for 3 minutes and there's 2 servings per package, so it's literally the best time saver, honestly. I also needed more of my favorite sauce. This is the sriracha and roasted garlic barbecue sauce. It's basically, yeah, barbecue sauce with a little kick to it, but it's literally so good. I can't live without it. Ever since I found it, I'm like, oh my god, this is amazing. Put this on chicken, on veggies, and in rice, and it's just so delicious. Then we have some potato crisps. These are basically like a healthier Pringles. My boyfriend and I are obsessed with them, and we honestly eat them all like literally within either the first day or the second. They're just that good. For more snack options, I got some crackers. I saw these today and they looked so yummy. They're rosemary, red chili, and garlic crackers. Like, that just sounds so good and they look so yummy on the package. They'll probably be good on their own or just with salami or something. And then I always get 2 bottles of sriracha because they're so good for gut health. This is the flavor I usually get. It's the Pink Lady apple one. It's so yummy, but I want to try out a new one today. I actually think I've tried it, but I don't remember if I liked it or not. This is the rosemary mint sage green tea one. It looks really good. I really like the bottle of this one. And I usually don't drink these all at once. I don't know why, but I usually just have like a little bit at a time and then it lasts me like throughout the week. For some nights where I just do not feel like cooking and just want something yummy, these are my go-tos. I know they're not that healthy, but honestly, life is about a balance. So one of my boyfriend and I's favorite pizzas is this barbecue chicken one, and I love putting this sriracha barbecue sauce on it. So good. And some heavenly chicken fried rice. Like, I love this so much. It's so delicious. I cook this like extra long than it says in the package so it gets nice and crispy, and it's just so freaking good. For veggies, I got broccoli, tomato, some zucchini for like salads and stir fries, some bananas, green grapes. I love these as a snack. They're so easy and like quick to grab. A red onion. I also got some everything bagels. These are so yummy. I cannot live without bagels. They're like one of my favorite foods, and they're just such a quick and easy breakfast. Some more of my favorite pasta. This is the brown rice fusilli pasta. Some sourdough for sandwiches or like toast. some avocados. They had no ripe ones today, which was unfortunate. I also got these Laughing Cow like cream cheese slices. They're so good. Like, it's the best cheese ever. And I just wanted this for like bagels or crackers, some spinach and some kale. This is actually going to be used in that soup I'm going to make. So I'm really excited. I actually have never made soup, so this should be interesting and hopefully yummy. Groceries are all put away now, so I'm finally going to make some lunch. I'm so freaking hungry right now. It's like 2:30 and I've honestly not really eaten that much today, so I really need to eat. This is such a simple recipe. All you need is tomatoes, red onion, some mayonnaise, tuna, rice cakes, and some salt and pepper, and you're good to go. Nala has an obsession with tuna, so she literally woke up from her nap to eat it. Alright guys, here it is all done. I ended up adding some avocado just to give it a little more color and like freshness, but it looks so yummy. I'm so excited to try it. It kind of looks like I'd be served this at a fancy restaurant, so I'm living for it. It is time for a taste test. I'm really excited, but I'm also nervous. Guys, actually so good. I didn't think I would like the rice cakes, but they're surprisingly really good with the tuna and the avocado. I did not think I would like the rice cakes, but I was concerned that I might not. And I'm actually gonna spice up this dish with some hot sauce because your girl is obsessed with hot sauce, and I've honestly been avoiding it lately. I haven't had it in quite a while because it was giving me an upset stomach, so I just stopped having it, but we're gonna risk it all right now and have some. It's been a few hours. I've just been editing this video thus far, and I swear to God, if I say the word yummy one more time, I'm going to lose my freaking mind. I'm truly sorry that my vocabulary was failing me, but I'm gonna head to the gym pretty quick. It's almost 7 o'clock now. I'm praying that it's not super busy. I've been trying to wait it out, so it isn't. I honestly haven't been to the gym in over a month, which is just crazy. I've just been doing home workouts, but I think I'm ready to get back in the gym, lift some weights, get back to growing the booty again. So I'm actually excited and also kind of nervous because yeah, I just haven't been there in a long time.
Baby, it's 2:30 and I should probably head back home, but I'm afraid to be alone. What do I need to do to get some time with you? I'd rather be half involved and missing all of you. Drinking till the sun comes up, better than feeling like I need your love. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Baby, it's for
Wow, I just had the best workout I've had in so freaking long. I was there for over an hour, just killing it. I was just in my freaking zone. I was even filming, and I know people totally saw me, but I was just like, whatever, I don't even care. I want to get this for you guys. That workout literally kicked my butt. It was one of Whitney Simmons' glute workouts with a dumbbell, and it was seriously such an amazing workout. Like, it was so challenging. I'll have it linked in the description in case you guys want to do it, because yeah, you will be dying. My hamstrings are dead. So proud of myself for doing that. Like, it's taken me a hot minute to get myself to the gym, but I finally did it. I'm gonna go make some dinner now. I worked up a major appetite from that workout. I'm not sure what I'm gonna make though, so we shall see. For dinner tonight, I just sauteed some zucchini and shrimp in olive oil. I added this seasoning on there too. It's from Trader Joe's, and I think it's only limited time for like Thanksgiving, so you should definitely pick it up before it's gone. It's the everything but the leftovers seasoning blend. It's super good. I really like it, and it smells amazing. And then I just made some 3-minute microwavable rice. I think I'm gonna add some soy sauce as well. So yeah, super simple but delish. Dinner was so freaking freaking fire. I don't know if I was just super hungry or it was just that good. So happy and just feeling so good that I'm getting back into my routine. It just feels so nice. And I really hope this video gave you some motivation to do the same. But yeah, I really need to go finish editing this video, and I also might watch one episode of The Bachelorette because I am really behind. So I need to catch up before the finale. If you made it to this part of the video and you're also watching The Bachelorette, let me know who you're rooting for. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!